Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the Redmi Note 11 above 20% and enable pairing on the accessory. Once done, check MIUI updates and install any pending system patches because many Bluetooth fixes arrive via updates. Now toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reboot the phone. This clears transient radio glitches. If you still see no device, open Settings, go to Connected Devices and remove stale pairings. This creates a clean state for the next, deeper steps. Next, perform deeper diagnostics and fixes to resolve persistent issues. In Settings, clear Bluetooth app cache and data to remove corrupt configs. This resets pairing records. If that fails, reset network settings. This restores Bluetooth stacks and often resolves hidden conflicts. Make sure to reboot after each action. To rule out third-party interference, boot into safe mode and test pairing if Bluetooth works there. Uninstall or restrict recently installed apps and permissions because background apps sometimes hijack the radio. Finish by isolating hardware versus software causes. Update your accessory firmware and try pairing that accessory with another phone. If it pairs elsewhere, the issue is your phone, otherwise the accessory is at fault. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. This eliminates lingering software corruption. If problems persist after reset, contact Redmi support or an authorized service center for diagnostics. Quick tip: if pairing fails intermittently, test with a different Bluetooth profile or cable-charged accessory to narrow the fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.